you're ready to go.
Now that you're ready and you got your ripstick in your hand, we're going to move on to step 2. Put your ripstick back on the ground. Now try and step on your ripstick. Oh, this part's a little hard, so we're going to move to the grass. Step onto your ripstick.
Step 3. Step on your ripstick and wiggle.
Now that we're good, we're ready to move back to the pavement. Now, you should pretty much know how to ripstick.
Now you should know how to ripstick. It's so easy.
Watch some cool footage of us at the park.